Be honest, when you think about fitness right now, what comes to mind? Shredded six packs, bulky body, using performance enhancement drugs like steroids, gym selfies. That is not an accident because that is the gym culture we've created for ourselves. But here's the problem. Majority of this fitness that you see online, they are not authentic, they are not natural, and they are pushing people away from real fitness and health. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why gym fitness culture is broken and what real fitness should be about. And that's not all. I'm also going to give you some tips in order to overcome this toxic gym culture to help you be consistent in your fitness journey. So just a quick one. My name is Raziik and welcome back again to my channel, Get Fit with Raziik. Now, let's talk about some of the reasons why fitness culture is broken. The first one, social media illusion. When you go on social media, all you see is about people taking pictures or taking videos about their bodies and putting it on social media, YouTube, and other social media outlets. But the thing is that they don't really show you what real fitness is about. They don't show you the process. They don't show you the struggle. They don't show you the ups and downs in fitness. All you see is someone's pump body right after workout, but they don't show you how the body looks like when it relaxes. Because a pump body right after workout and a relaxed body after hours of workout, they are completely different. So beginners who are now starting their fitness journey, they will see some of this video and they will think that that's all fitness is about. Meanwhile, that's not all fitness is about. They will start going to the gym, they'll start working out within few weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and they start feeling the exhaustion, they start feeling the stress. Guess what? They will quit because the social media is trying to paint some picture which is not the reality. Now, the second reason why fitness culture is broken is fast result myth.
What is a mass blast? Well, it's the fastest way that humans have ever built permanent muscle. Most people think that building muscle takes years. The mass blast shattered that idea forever. It's a short, extreme protocol that redlines every growth pathway at once.
So the video you watched, when you go on social media, you see a lot of this video. Always promising fast result, get six packs within 2 days, reduce weight within 3 days, do this within shortest possible time. All these things are not realistic. So the reality of the matter is that fitness is a long-term game. So if anybody is telling you that try my method in order to build muscle within 2 days, in 1 week, in 1 month, they are lying to you because real fitness is a long-term game, not a 2 week experiment. The third reason is addiction to physique instead of actual health. I cannot overemphasize this. The fitness culture we've created for ourselves is all about physique. When you go on social media, all you see is about people posting videos or posting pictures about their physique. Don't get me wrong, having a good physique is good, but not at the expense of your own health. It's like we are more focused on the physique rather than being fit and being healthy. So because of this, the teenagers who are coming, they will do anything to get to the physique, even if it is at the expense of their own health. They are willing to risk it in order to get that physique. The next reason why fitness culture is broken is the drug and supplement culture. I cannot talk about fitness without talking about the drug canker that we have in the fitness industry. Now, let me start with the supplement. We have a lot of supplement. Today, they will tell you to try this. Tomorrow, they will tell you to try this. Today you are buying this creatine, tomorrow you are buying this supplements, protein powder here and there. Don't get me wrong. Taking protein powder or taking creatine, it's okay for the body. But the overcomplication is too much. You are taking a lot of supplements because today a fitness influencer will be promoting this, another influencer will be promoting another brand, and they will tell you this same person to try all these things, and this will build exhaustion, and at the end of the day it will not work. Now let me talk about the drugs canker in the fitness industry. Right now, thanks to social media illusion, thanks to the fast result myth, we've created an addiction for physique. Now, teenagers or beginners who have started their fitness journey, all they see is this addiction to physique. So they will do anything in order to look fit instead of being fit and being healthy. Watch this video.
19 years old. I am 19 years old.
Are you on steroids?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Finally, I found some teens on gear, and I wanted to know how it was ruining their lives.
It's been the best thing in the world, honestly. I have no regrets, no complaints, more girls, more attention, got bigger.
It's like a fast forward button, like in a movie, you know what I'm saying? Like, how long have you been training?
9 years?
I've been training for 2 years. So I knew it would put that muscle maturity, that little emphasis, that little
You see, majority of these teenagers, they are using performance enhancement drugs like steroids, TRT, because they are so obsessed with looking fit rather than being fit and being healthy. So they don't even care about the side effect of steroid. Some of the side effects of steroid is losing hair or having cardiovascular issues. They don't care. All they care is about looking fit rather than being fit and being healthy. And this is a problem that we need to address. Now, you know some of the reason why fitness culture is broken. Now, let's talk about what real fitness should be about. The first one, feeling good and function better. That is the primary goal of fitness. The primary goal of fitness is the ability to go about your day-to-day activities without having to struggle to do it. That is the main goal. So if fitness is not really talking about that, then that's not fitness. Looking fit is one thing, but being fit is the primary goal and being healthy is the ultimate goal. The second one is building strength and capacity. Another primary goal of fitness is to build muscle strength, to build endurance, to build strength. That is the primary goal of fitness. The third point, mental health and confidence. This is another thing that fitness have overlooked for years. Fitness should not only be about the physique, it should also inculcate the mental health, the ability to manage stress, the ability to have sound mind, the ability to have a good sleep. That is also part of fitness because your mental health is very important for your own well-being. The fourth point is consistency and sustainability. Right now, nobody is really talking about consistency. What people are talking about, how to get 6 packs within 6 days, how to build muscle within a shortest possible time, which is not realistic. That is the fitness culture we are creating for ourselves. Nobody is really talking about consistency and sustainability because fitness is a long-term game. The fifth point is good health and longevity. The overall aim of fitness is the ability to live long whilst being fit and healthy. That is the ultimate goal. It's not actually about looking fit. It's actually about looking fit, being fit, and being healthy, and the ability to live long without free of diseases. That is the ultimate goal of fitness. It's not only about looking fit. Now you know the reason why fitness culture is broken and what real fitness should be about. Now let's talk about the tips to help you to overcome this toxic gym culture to help you be consistent in your fitness journey. The first one, set real and personal goals. You need to set goal for your own self. Okay, this month I'm going to do 10 reps, I'm going to do 10 sets, I'm going to do this type of exercise, and make sure that you go through it. Then after you've challenged yourself and you've achieved that result, then you can increase the challenge. That is how you are going to get results in the long run, and that is how you are going to be consistent in the long run to help you to achieve good results. So set real and personal goals. The second point, start small and be consistent. I've talked about this in all my previous videos. If you're a beginner now starting your fitness journey, please start small. Don't overcomplicate the process. Start small. Reduce the set, reduce the reps, and also reduce the number of exercises that you do. There's nothing wrong in following a fitness model. That fitness model that you are following, that person has been training for years, 5 years, 10 years. You cannot follow his exact method. It will lead to burnout, it will lead to exhaustion, and at the end of the day, you will not be able to be consistent. The third point is to fix your social media. I've already said there's nothing wrong in looking up to a fitness model, but remember the fitness model that you are following, make sure that his journey was real. He built his body naturally and he has been doing it for years. That is the real fitness model you are supposed to follow. And the fitness model should also motivate you. It should carry you along. Not a fitness model that is going to make you feel bad for being a beginner and having your own ups and downs. The fourth point, treat gym as part of your life. When you treat gym as part of your life, you wouldn't look for shortcuts in order to build muscles. You wouldn't have to use drugs in order to increase your muscle growth. You can build it naturally because you know that fitness is part of your life. It is a long-term game. So fitness is only a fraction of your life. So devote a fraction of your time for fitness and also devote the rest of your time to other spheres of your life so that everything will balance. So now you know why fitness culture is broken. You know what real fitness is about, and I've also told you some of the tips that you can use to overcome this toxic culture that I personally use to overcome this. So if you have watched the video up to this end, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that anytime I post new video, you'll be alerted. And also comment below what are some of the reasons why you think fitness culture is broken, and kindly watch this video. And remember, consistency beats motivation. I will see you in the next video.